Welcome to the morning routine. Every morning I come out, look at how foggy it is this morning, and I just look at what's going on. We saw a bunny first thing this morning. Oh, wait, can you see the bunny? Keeping an eye on me. Look at my garbage pile. We'll get to that. Listen to my frogs. I'm on a bit of a mission today. Sam's out there unloading the back of the truck. So while he's doing that, I'm reorganizing in here. This is a sad little kitchen. So right now we've got the camp chef that sort of sits in front of this door that won't open. And we had this kind of, it's like stacked end tables that would normally be in a living room. Those were positioned as kind of like part of the counter that was here, but I want to move it over here onto this wall. And this is the wall that will eventually have a built-in coffee center anyways. So I've just taken the doors off of it, and I'm gonna move our little portable oven / air fryer and put it there. And then we'll put coffee, toaster on this little section here. And what that allows now is for my lovely little desk area, which is full of mess and everything right now. But I'm gonna move my workstation over here so that while I'm working, I could glance up and look out that door window and be able to see what's going on out in the very, very long yard. But see, that'll be my view when I'm at work now, which I think is going to be spectacular. So that's my little project as I wait for things to get set up so that I can start working on yard work. Wish me luck that I don't break anything or hurt myself. That tends to be what happens when I lift heavy things. perfect. Love it. Just checking up on Sam. Back to my project. Already it looks so much better in here. I've got my little work center, coffee center I guess, set up here. Just got to clean that lower cupboard so I can put the pots and stuff in there. But that looks so much better. Look how wide open this is now. I'm gonna have a dance off. Now this will be my little workstation, so I'll start tackling and get that set up because I'm back to work tomorrow. But that's gonna be so nice. Oh, I just feel like peek, look at that view. Love it, love it, love it, love it.
Okay, Lori did a nice job arranging camp, but now we need a plug here. She's moved, this will be the coffee center where the toaster sits. She's got our oven here. So it's easy. I've got a plug just around the corner here on the new wall for the bathroom. So I'll just bring it through, and we were gonna have a coffee center here anyways in the future plan. So it needs a plug and we'll go ahead and put one in for it. I had to go visit the tool thief. She's working on her own project. Okay. So I know people are going to say you got to shut the power off. Well, the power is off. These are 12-volt system, so at least I could have lights in this room while I'm working, even though the outlet is dead. This night light would be on.
You went down to check the power earlier. What's our batteries at?
We're at 65%.
Oh, not bad.
Last time I looked, so they're coming up pretty
It's
today.
sunnier today than they were calling for. So it was like supposed to be mostly cloudy today, but the sun's been kind to us and helping us get topped up. Sam worked on this bathroom last summer. It's still not finished. You'll probably see like corners aren't done and stuff. We are waiting until we figure out what the floor is going to be. So we'll do all the trim once we do the rest of the cabin. But for now, we're just excited because we have a sink and mirror and lights and tub, a flushing toilet. What more can you ask for, really? Who cares about the aesthetics at this point? The rest of the cabin's pretty darn ugly, so it's not a big deal. It's really great having a handy husband. Because if you would have seen his wife out there trying to take out that little section, you would have seen perhaps that I'm not as handy. I use brute force on things.
There's a time and place for brute force, but it's not always.
Well, as soon as I discovered that all the wood was rotted, I'm like, I am not unscrewing. I'm just using that mini sledge. A big sledgehammer would have been great. That's one of the other challenges we have here at camp is most of our tools are at home, and we try to remember what to bring. We have some duplicates here, but we don't always know what all the projects are going to lead to, and I think a full-on sledgehammer would have been really fast work of that project. The knife. That's the other thing. We're sharing tools, and I don't always remember where I leave stuff, so yeah. I think we're doing much better at trying to film the stuff that we're doing. This is our first trip that we've done that. I think working in small spaces is always a challenge, but Sam's got his camera set up in the bathroom, and I'm just sort of trying to...
I don't normally take the camera into the bathroom with me, but YouTube makes you do weird things.
It certainly does.
Okay, it's on and working. Perfect.
This little area here is next on the hit list because it is blocking my work view. So I'm going to go down to Sam's workshop, grab some more tools, start hacking at this thing. Unfortunately, the other camera shut off, so you missed how I took this out, but all the boards are rotted. It worked out to my advantage because instead of trying to unscrew all these different, and keep in mind every single screw was slightly different square head sizes, different Phillips, you never know what you were going to find. So this was the weapon of choice. And we handily knocked it out. Now the only thing I have to figure out is this opaque screen here. It's in behind this ledge. I already couldn't get all the screws out here because they've been painted over, and as much as I try, I haven't quite figured that out. So I think I might be using some brute force on this as well to get that out. Hopefully it's not a problem. All right, took a little elbow grease, but it's out and I'm out of breath. And then I have another burn pile here. But we got that piece of plexi out of there that was blocking my view. Let's go check it out. Sam's in here putting some wiring in. She's filming. Filming.
Have to cut some because there's some bad words from the potty mouth outside.
Oh shoot, could you hear that through the window? Yeah. Yeah, it was more challenging than I expected. I think I spent more time trying to take that down than I did cleaning up this whole area. Okay, let's see. Oh, I got stuff from my work center already. Let's see, let's take a look. How does it look? Oh, there we go. Beautiful view from my workstation.